Glitch logo reveals are inexplicably exciting. Their distorted and disruptive aesthetics make them perfect for creating a lasting first impression. This video will explore our 5 favorite glitch logo reveal Premiere Pro templates from Envato Elements. From colorful distortions and classic chromatic aberrations to neon lighting, you're sure to find the best intro for your project. So let's get started. Number 5. Glitch Logo by Desire Creator. This first item on our list is an all-in-one. There are a number of varying glitch effects to note here, from screen distortion to pixelation to chromatic aberrations. It includes 4 different versions of this clip, each one completely customizable so you can create your dream intro in no time. Number 4. Glitch Logo by Grandfic. Introduce your video with a bang with this glitch logo reveal's bright and attention-grabbing color scheme. Its distortions feature the classic chromatic aberrations mixed with more subtle hues of white, pink, and yellow. 3D motion graphics make things pop for a dazzling intro that would suit any brand. Number 3. Glitch Logo Reveal by Gruscott. Dynamic and grunge, this Premiere Pro glitch logo is well suited for those who want to add a contemporary edge to their branding. It features several unique effects, including blocky distortion, chromatic aberrations, and scanning lines. At only 5 seconds long, this logo reveal will grab your audience's attention right away without taking up much screen time. All these amazing glitch logo reveals are available from Envato Elements, a platform that offers unlimited downloads of digital assets like fonts, stock photos, royalty-free music, and social media templates. Check it out today and find the creative assets you need to enhance your next project through the link in the description below. Number 2. Glitch Logo by Nestic. This may be our glitchiest logo reveal yet. It overwhelms the screen with various effects like flashing elements, scan lines, text boxes, and colorful distorted shape layers. Even so, the composition is still orderly and pleasing to the eye. Download this pack and introduce your content with this beautifully chaotic template. Number 1. Glitch Logo by GeorgeFX. Absolute chaos. That's the sensation this vibrant glitch template gives off. It has a strong neon color palette and layers of distortion that will make your logo seem like it's in the middle of a digital storm. It's the perfect way to end our list and prove that a glitch logo template can be truly captivating. We've reached the end of our countdown. We hope you've enjoyed these awesome glitch logo templates for Premiere Pro. Now we want to know, which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn its post notifications on for more great content. We'll be back soon with some more fresh countdowns. Why not check out the suggestion to the right of your screen while you wait? See you there!